Most people don't realize how loud their life is until it suddenly isn't. The noise, the schedules, the constant feeling that you're always rushing somewhere. And then you turn onto a quiet country road like this one, and everything changes. Today's property isn't just a home. It's nearly 30 acres of space, privacy, and possibility, hidden in the rolling hills of southern Ohio. But here's the interesting part. The house itself might not even be the reason people fall in love with this place. And by the end of this tour, you'll understand exactly why. Let's start at the entrance. As you come down Caldecott Hill Road, the first thing you notice is what's missing. No subdivisions, no traffic noise, no tight property lines, just open land stretching outward and mature trees creating a natural sense of separation from the outside world. You don't arrive here accidentally. You choose to come here. And that's important because properties like this attract a very specific kind of buyer, someone looking for control over their environment again. As the driveway opens, the homestead slowly reveals itself, sitting comfortably within the landscape instead of dominating it. It feels grounded, practical, intentional, and connected to the land around it. But before we even go inside, I want you to notice something. Look beyond the house. Nearly 30 acres unfold in every direction, open pasture blending into wooded areas, creating a balance between usability and privacy. And tucked within that landscape are two peaceful ponds reflecting the sky like mirrors. Now here's where the story starts getting interesting. Because land like this doesn't just change where you live, it changes how you live. And we'll come back to that in a minute. First, let's head inside. Walking through the front door, the immediate feeling is comfort. The home was remodeled in 2021, and you can feel that balance between updated living and practical country design. Although the choice of the wall finishing in the interior is a bit odd for most, it is more common in Amish homes. Natural light moves easily through the interior, softening the space and giving it warmth without feeling overly modern or sterile. This is a home designed to be lived in, not just photographed. The main living area naturally pulls you in. It's easy to imagine winter evenings here, especially centered around the wood-burning stove. And if you've ever lived somewhere with real winters, you know this isn't just aesthetic. It becomes the emotional center of the home. It acts as the main heat source, as well as the stove to cook hearty homemade meals. And that idea, slowing down, keeps showing up throughout this property. Moving into the kitchen, you'll notice the eat-in layout keeps everything connected. No isolation from guests or family while cooking. It feels social, functional, and realistic for everyday life. It is a modest Amish kitchen with the basic essentials. Morning coffee here would look very different than it does in most homes. Instead of staring at another house across the street, your windows frame open land and changing skies. The outside world becomes part of daily routine without ever leaving the kitchen table. The home includes 3 bedrooms, but no bathrooms, including a convenient main-level bedroom that adds long-term flexibility, something more buyers are quietly prioritizing now. But here's where I want you to pause for a second, because this is the moment most house tours would normally end the interior walkthrough. And this is actually where this property begins separating itself. Let's step back outside. Walking across the acreage, you start realizing this isn't just land, it's productive land. There's already an established fruit orchard here producing apples, pears, peaches, and plums. Not decorative landscaping, actual seasonal harvests. And something interesting happens when a property starts producing instead of just consuming. It changes how people think about ownership. Suddenly, the property isn't just an expense, it becomes participation in a lifestyle. Just beyond the orchard sits one of the most valuable structures here, a massive 32 by 48 barn with stalls and a lean-to. And even if you don't currently own animals, spaces like this create future flexibility. Workshop, equipment storage, creative projects, small-scale farming. The possibilities expand depending on who lives here. But the feature most viewers don't expect is still ahead, because tucked elsewhere on the property is a second building, currently used as a schoolhouse. And this is where imagination really starts working. Guest house, studio space, home business, private learning environment, rental potential. It's rare to find a property already equipped with a separate functional structure like this, and it quietly adds an entirely different layer of opportunity. While it is currently set up as an Amish school, it is really a blank space that can be converted into anything. Now here's something worth thinking about. Most homes dictate how you live. Properties like this adapt to how you want to live. And that difference is exactly why rural homesteads have exploded in popularity over the last few years. People aren't just buying houses anymore, they're buying options. Space, peacefulness, and privacy have become a priority when searching for a new home. As we walk back toward the main home, notice how quiet everything feels again. You hear wind instead of traffic, birds instead of sirens. Even the air feels different when there's space around you. And this creates a psychological shift most buyers don't expect until they experience it. Days slow down, evenings last longer, time feels less compressed. It's not about escaping modern life, it's about regaining balance with it. Now, if you've made it this far in the tour, I want to ask you something. Which part would change your daily life the most? The land, the ponds, the barn, or the privacy? Drop it in the comments because I read every one, and it helps shape which properties we feature next. And if you enjoy seeing homes that offer more than just square footage, make sure to subscribe, because next week's property might surprise you even more. Now, let's talk about what everyone eventually wants to know. Because up to this point, we've talked about lifestyle, we've talked about land, we've talked about possibilities. But none of that matters without understanding the value. Properties with acreage, multiple structures, water features, and updated living space are becoming increasingly difficult to find, especially ones that are already functional from day one. And that brings us to the price. For nearly 30 acres, a remodeled home, orchard, barn, ponds, and additional building space, this entire property is currently listed at $465,000. And when you compare that to what similar budgets buy in suburban markets, often smaller homes on fraction of an acre lots, you begin to understand why rural properties like this are gaining so much attention. Even though this home does not have traditional electrical or plumbing, it can be retrofitted for today's modern family. Because this isn't just buying a home, it's buying room to breathe, room to build, room to live differently. And as the sun sets across these fields, it becomes clear why places like this feel less like real estate and more like a turning point. Thanks for walking the property with me today. If you enjoyed this tour, hit subscribe for more unique rural homes, and I'll see you on the next one.